So today, Gardening Diary are reviewing a German plastic and metal engineered product called the Gardena Premium Multisprayer. The Gardena Multisprayer has 5 different spray modes. The first is the standard full circular spray. The second is a flat 180-degree spray. The third is a soaker. The fourth is a jet, which gives you both short and very long range spray. And the fifth is a wide angle fine spray. It has a power boost switch on the back of the pistol grip, which allows you to have either a standard strength spray or a boosted strength spray. Additionally, the pistol grip has a switch which allows you to take your hands off or pressure off the grip and keep spraying. As a well-engineered product, it allows you to unscrew the spray face to allow cleaning. Another good feature of this product is the fact that you can unscrew the metal base of the pistol grip, where you'll find a water filter. Always good to keep the lines clean. So whatever spray mode suits you, you can keep your garden watered and maybe have some fun with your dog too.